Hi, it's Jason in Jason's Jungle, and I'm going to lift me main crop onions today and see what I get out of it. These are my onions. They were sown earlier on this year. I got some sets from Marshalls that were supposed to be heat treated, and heat treated sets aren't supposed to set flour, but I've had quite a few setting flour this year. But they've all look as if they're ready to come up, so I'm going to dig them up today and see what I've got. So this is what I've got. I've got a few shallots, and then I've got my reds and my whites. I can't quite remember what they are. If I can find out, I will put the names up underneath. Now I've got some that are quite a reasonable size, and I've got some that have hardly grown. Not too bothered, because the stuff that's small will go into pickled onions, and the rest will be kept. But what does cheese us off is I bought heat treated specially to try and get them so I didn't bolt, and I think I had more bolt this year than I have last year or the year before. And you can see here, this is one that's bolted. You can see where the flower stalk was. So cut it off. If I peel this open, you can see it has got a little bit of onion in there. So thick skins there, but there, that's about the usable bit of it. Not good to store, but can be used fresh. And again, another one here. You can see the central stem, and just on the side, some slugs inside, but that's the usable amount of it. So I'll get these hung up and dried, sort out the small ones, take them home for pickling, and that's the onions done for this year, until I do some winter onions. Well, if you've liked this, click like, click subscribe, and leave a comment for us down below, and I'll see you on the next video.